Hello everybody, I'm Taurus and welcome to my channel, DIY is Life. Now I have been seeing reviews for GLAS Basics line on almost every channel the last few days, and me and a friend were talking, me and Daytime Frank were talking about our version of it. So this is my attempt and my GLAS Basics RY4 challenge for the RY4 Butterscotch Reserve. This is my take on it, and keep in mind that I have only ever had two bottles of premium juice. So I've never had this. This is just my take on from what I've learned from everyone out there. So to start off, we need our nicotine, and that's going to be 1.8 on here. So .8 nicotine. And I'm making this, I already mixed this up once, I had to do some more. Like, this stuff is good. It's for me. It's for me. The other one I'm going to give to a friend. So, nicotine out of the way, put away safely. Now we can do, next is going to be Bavarian cream. And I don't have the exact percentages in front of me because I have this on paper. But this is going to be at 1.28 on the scale. Wow, there it is. Next is going to be vanilla bourbon, and we're going to put that in at a 0.5 on the scale. 0.5. There it is. And next is going to be caramel toffee at 1.2 on the scale. I'm pretty happy with Hank's. This is Hankston's caramel toffee. And I'm impressed with it. It's really good. 1.2. A little more. Close enough. So next is going to be 1 drop custard. Why? Because I haven't used it yet. And this is going in at 2.4. Wow, look at that, 2.4. Next is ice cream sandwich from Real Flavors at 0.6. A little bit over, but that's okay. I wanted a little bit more chocolate in there anyway. 4 at 1.25. So this is my challenge video to every mixer out there. Fresh, Pippa, Daytime Frank, I want you to check this out. Jesse, I think you mix, don't you? Maybe not. Yeah, I want everybody to check this out. 1.25. I want to see everybody's version of this recipe. And not having tasted the original, I think I did pretty good. So I would like anybody's feedback on what they think that has tasted the original. Next is RY4 double at 1.9. Might just round this up to an even 2. I have a feeling I'm going to go through this RY4 pretty quick. It's pretty good. There we go. 1.94. So, yeah, this is a challenge issued to anyone out there to make your own RY4 Butterscotch or Caramel Reserve. This is my replication of the GLAS Basics RY4 Butterscotch Reserve, I do believe. And I will get a bottle soon to see how I did. And I will be sure to save some of this that I can compare. And this cap is making me mad. There it is. Last one is smoked butterscotch from Filvora. And this is going in at 1 point. About out. And that's how easy it is to make your own juice. I mean, you got your recipe, you got your ingredients, you throw it in the bottle, and that's it. Now, I always use Nicotine River to get my neck. I use them to get my VG and PG. This is an 80-20 base that I add to my wonderful concoction that I have come up with here. And I want to put my label on it before I want to actually get my greasy paws off of that. So yeah, this is my challenge, the RY4 challenge. GLAS Basics, and it is the 29th, I believe. This is 3 milligrams. There we go. And we slap it on. This tape doesn't like to stick to the bottle sometimes. So you really gotta coax it on there. Now you take your 80-20 mix. This has got a nice big opening. We can just let that goop in there. Goop in there. Goop it in there. Yeah, I'm excited about this one. The smaller batch I made earlier turned out real good. And I am expecting the same from this one. Because that's what happens when you follow a recipe. Who knew, right? I mean, if you can read directions on the back of a box, you can make e-liquid. Very easy to do. And it's fun. And believe me, once you jump in the rabbit hole, there ain't no coming up. Like, you're stuck. Hopefully the audio is okay, because I am trying to keep it down. It's kind of late when I'm filming this. But so, this is my RY4 challenge to others out there. See what you can come up with. See ya. Let me know if you've tried the original GLAS Basics Reserve. I have not yet at the time of this video, but I hope to very soon. yeah, I am really excited to have other people give me their feedback on this. I'm gonna try and figure out how to post this everywhere. So, yeah, that is my challenge issued to all mixers. Mix up an RY4 Reserve and let me know what you think of this one. So, we're gonna have a little vape, and this will be the first video that's under an hour on my channel. I'm hoping to start doing some small reviews. Rebuilds and RDAs. I'm waiting on getting some wires so that I can start learning how to DIY my coils as well, because I don't want to buy those either. Yeah, so this is going to be my take on Glass Basics RY4 Butterscotch Reserve. Trying to dry those up a little bit so we give half a fair judgment to this. Oh, that smells good. And there's a drippity drip right in there. So this is definitely a challenge to anybody out there that sees this video. Let me know what you think. Are you a tobacco fan? This RY4 is more of a, I think it can be more of a dessert than a tobacco. It's a really, man, that is good. Getting that butterscotch. Getting smell of vanilla, just a hint of chocolate. When this steeps up, that cream's gonna creep in. My batteries are getting low. So thanks for watching my challenge video, and I hope to see some comments and some thoughts. And if you've never DIY'd, see how easy that was in 15 minutes on camera. Bow, done. It's not hard at all. So everybody get out there and do your part for advocacy. Fund the Suit did real well. They got their first bit that they need, but that doesn't mean it's over. So keep those coming. As always, thank you, Don. Door Eli could use my hand check. I thought that was pretty fucking nifty. This little mod and these grubby paws were on your thing. Thought that was awesome, so thank you. Once again, I'm new at this. I just started doing this in February, and I think I'm doing pretty good. I gotta admit, my palate's not what it should be yet, but that comes back after months after quit smoking, so we'll get there. So once again, folks, I'm Taurus. Thank you very much for this quick little mixing session, and I will see you guys again very soon. And just remember, everybody, DIY is life.